Innovation is at the heart of everything that we do at Vedantu. Solving problems which have real impact on the world is what we strive for.
We have always pushed the boundary of teaching and learning. In fact, one thing which we have learned is an idea can come out of anywhere. This idea came from one of our students.
Being a pet parent actually comes with its own set of challenges. It's very difficult to strike a balance between spending good time with them and training them to become good companions.
We believe we have finally found a solution for this. Our newest offering is going to change the life of every pet owner. So, ladies and gentlemen, launching Vedantu's latest innovation, world's first specialized training program, especially for your pets, Vedantu Super Pets.
Feel guilty about leaving your pets at home for hours together? Presenting Owner Face Loop, so your pets feel like you've never left.
Fido, sit. Goodest boy. Fido, sit. Goodest boy.
Cat destroying all your stuff? Keep them busy all day long. Presenting the Something Fishy Screensaver. Pets don't know the difference between friend and foe. Presenting the Pet Socializer, so your pet knows whom to save the box for.
Delivery man good. Burglar bad.
You know what never fails? A delicious treat. Presenting the Virtual Cookie Shower to treat your pet for good behavior.
It's extremely gratifying to see how the lives of these pets and their pet parents have changed for good. But the real credit goes to the team behind the scenes.
With the work from home culture, many have become pet parents for the first time and know very little about training pets, and getting a pet trainer, not that easy. During trial, we observed a stark difference in the behavior of pets with super pets.
Of course, our job was not that easy as taking offline training online. We had to reimagine the entire process with digital first approach and then build platform accordingly. We are quite happy with the final result.
This is an amazing milestone for Vedantu.
And this is just the beginning. Who knows tomorrow what all we can teach our pets to do.
Like Planet of the Apes?
Yeah, why not? But for now, we invite all you amazing pet owners to enroll your pets with us to try our Vedantu Super Pets today.
So what are you waiting for? Just go to the link below, click on it and register for your first demo absolutely free.